The goal of Project Emotor is essentially thought-powered flight. I'll be using an EEG headset made by a company called Emotiv to power a quadrotor called the AR Drone 2.0 made by a company called Parrot. The end result is a software application called the Emotor Control Center that will allow a user to plug in an Emotiv headset and attach their computer to an AR Drone 2.0 via Wi-Fi and control it using their thoughts. The Emotiv headset reads EEG brainwave data and transmits this to a computer via a USB antenna. Emotiv's proprietary software then decodes and analyzes that data and provides programmers with useful information such as the user's emotions or facial expressions. This can be then used in a program to make decisions. The AR Drone 2.0 is a high-end consumer quadrotor. It's designed to be controlled by any device with Wi-Fi connectivity, and its programming interfaces are easily accessible and publicized by the company Parrot. The primary task of Project Emotor will be building a software application that interfaces on one side with the Emotiv headset and on the other side with the AR drone. It will take input from the headset, analyze it, and translate those commands given from the headset into actual flight motions from the AR drone. A lot of the work I've done in preparation for Project Emotor has been familiarizing myself with the AR Drone 2.0 quadrotor. I've gone at length through its SDK and learned how to program it, how to send it commands via a Wi-Fi network. I've also kind of gotten to know the Emotiv headset and how to use it, how to get the pads adjusted properly on the head, and how to set it up with the computer so that I'll be ready to hit the ground running when I have access to the SDK come the 8th of July. Since I'm the only team member on Project Emotor right now, I haven't been able to really collaborate with anybody else as a part of my team, but I have been able to talk to Kyle Korn, who's on the 4D Music Box project, and we're both kind of getting our feet wet with this Emotiv headset software. And I've also talked to Thor Wolford because he's very familiar with how to use the Emotiv headset itself because he was on Project Emotor before I was. Personally, in preparation for SATE, I've been doing a lot of packing and getting familiar with the Dayton area so I'll know what to do when I'm up there. I have a few specific goals for my time at SATE. One is obviously to get a working application together. Another is to figure out video because the AR Drone 2.0 uses a very unfamiliar video codec, so there's going to be a lot of work to do there to get this up and running. I'd also like to see if I can develop some kind of training application, either an application for training a user to use the Emotiv headset, or an application to actually try flying the drone virtually in the Discovery Grid or the TechEdge Grid.